hanging out with Barbie and her friends, the only limit is your imagination. We've got some fun ideas so you can turn an ordinary afternoon into a Barbie unicorn fantasy land. But first, make sure you show us some love by subscribing, hitting the notification bell, and clicking the thumbs up button if you liked this video. Chinese Princess. First, use an X-Acto knife to cut the top of a plastic bottle. Cut down the side and even out the top. This Barbie loves being a doctor. You'll need some red rose stickers, some red fabric, and some red feathers. Now, measure and cut the fabric to fit her body. Put the bottle around her legs and use some Scotch tape to tape it to her hips. Slide the fabric over her body and secure it with some shiny red elastic. Cut some red feathers from a feather boa. Then, carefully hot glue the feathers to her dress. Add feathers to her shoulders too. Put a red rose sticker on her other shoulder. Pull her hair back with a jeweled barrette. Isn't she breathtaking? Great Gatsby. First, take a piece of sparkly adhesive craft paper. Draw this pattern on the back and cut it out. Time to come out and play, Barbie! Wrap the craft paper around Barbie's body. Then, remove the backing and stick it on her. Add a strip of glittery paper as a belt around her waist. You can even wrap her shoes in this sticky, fabulous paper. Add a sleeve and some sparkly jewelry to her arms. For our favorite part, glitter time! Stick these jewel stickers around her neck as a gorgeous choker. And line the top of the dress with the jewels too. Add some details to the dress to give it that 1920s flapper vibe. Next, add a headpiece. This Gatsby girl is gorgeous. Now, add a feather for the finishing touch. This glamorous gal is ready to party. This next look is just too much fun. First, take a paint can. Add a green fishnet sleeve around the outside. Come on, Barbie, let's get dressed. Put her inside the can and wrap the top of the sleeve around her shoulders. Put a shirt on over it. Now we're going to need felt pom-poms. Lots and lots of pom-poms. These are so much fun to play with. Okay, back to work, everybody. Glue the pom-poms to the sleeve. Keep gluing and gluing and gluing until you've got the whole thing covered. Add pom-poms around her chest and shoulders too. Glitter makes everything better. Now for some accessories. Isn't she deliciously gorgeous? Golden Light Fairy. Turn the lights on and untwist the wire. Now, grab some gold sparkly adhesive craft paper, your gold leaves from earlier, and some golden butterfly wings. Make sure it fits Barbie's body. Then remove the backing and stick it on. Use an X-Acto knife to cut it in the back, like this. Then carefully stick it to her back. Time for the light. Measure the wire to the length of her skirt. and fold over several times to create long strands of light for the skirt. Now that you've got it all together, use a piece of string wire to string the strands together. Wrap the string wire around Barbie's waist and twist in the back to fasten. Arrange the strands of light evenly around her dress. Use tweezers to bend the wires around the string wire to keep them in place. Glue large jewels to the front of her dress. Tie for some lace. Cut a large piece of lace and a piece of string wire. Thread the wire through the lace, like this. Then, wrap the lace around your fairy's waist and twist the wire together in the back. Next, cut a few slits in the bottom of the lace skirt. Get out your gold leaves and glue them onto the lace. Let's add her fairy wings. Just glue the golden wings to the back of her dress. Your golden light fairy is ready. Isn't she radiant? Poison Ivy. Ready for another fun look for Barbie? Let's get her ready. First, you'll want to tie back her hair. Then, cover her chest, hips, and legs with green masking tape. Then, use your X-Acto knife to cut out a heart shape for her top. Carefully stick it to the top of her chest. Next, wrap some shiny green ribbon around her waist. Drape 3 long strands of ribbon down the front of her dress. Then, paint her outfit with green glitter paint. Now, we are going to use some red acrylic paint to give her that savage redhead look. Massage the paint in. When the hair is dry, it's time to accessorize. Grab some artificial ivy leaves. Cut the leaves off the stems. Then, hot glue the ivy leaves to Barbie's dress. You'll want to glue it from the bottom of the dress to the top. Now, to add the wow factor. Glue some gold leaves to the top of her dress. Add some gold leaves to her face at her hairline as well. Use an X-Acto knife to cut away any excess. Use a red marker for her lips and a green marker for her eyeshadow. Let's give Poison Ivy a manicure with red nails too. This wild look is wickedly cool. Kylie Jenner birthday suit. For this celebrity makeover, you're going to need a white latex glove. Cut the ends off the first and middle fingers. Then, slide Barbie's legs in. Use a pair of scissors to trim the glove so it fits Barbie's body. Pull it tight and tie it in the back. Next, grab your pink acrylic paint and a paintbrush. Let's bring out your inner artist, shall we? Paint the glove completely. Next, you're gonna want to tie up Barbie's hair. Paint some white glue to the glove and add a little sparkle. Sprinkle pink glitter all over the outfit. You can never have too much glitter. Now pull Barbie's hair back into a ponytail and add a shimmery elastic. Here's the original look. And here's your Barbie creation. Way to go! She looks fabulous! Thanks for watching, Crafty Hackers! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crafty hacks and ideas.